So primarily this video is, I know that you just saw that intro clip, and I just wanted to show off my room and talk a little bit about my safe space, which is this room that I'm sitting in right now. There's a lot of times where people are like, oh my God, you're such a homebody. Like, you're always at home. Like, why don't you ever go out? I don't know how to explain it to you. Maybe it's because I'm a tourist. Maybe it's just because I'm a homebody. I don't know. But I created a space where I don't have to worry so much, where I can relax, where I can do different things, whether it comes to gaming, doing work, okay, doing actual work, doing editing on this PC and chilling in bed. You know what I mean? I once did not like being in here all the time. I was like, I need to get out the house. I need to get out of my room. I hate being cramped up, which is like, that's an off and on thing. You get me? Like, that happens all the time where I'm like, even now, even though this is my safe space, I still want to get out the house and, you know, do things and stuff like that. But why wouldn't I want to come back to a space and room that I feel most comfortable in? That's the one thing that I don't understand that people complain about, because there was a point where this room, like, I was like, I don't like any of it. Like, I kept switching my room up. If you look at past videos, my room has gone through so many changes, from having different posters up. And that goes with growth, and that goes with growing up, because, you know, you get into new things, you dislike certain things, and you keep changing. So a part of that change was with this room, especially when it came to like this desk and my bed and things like that. And I told myself, I want this room to be somewhere where I'm totally comfortable in, where I can sit here and do videos, do edits, lay down and watch movies, invite people over and they like hanging out in here, have it be aesthetically pleasing, match the rest of the house, things like that. And I just want to reiterate to you guys that I think you should do the same. You should create spaces where, because I've had a lot of compliments about my room, and I've actually had a lot of people ask me, where do you get a lot of your furniture? Or like, how did you do your desk? And like, where did you get your bed and stuff like that? And when it comes down to those questions, I always answer them, but I also always make sure to let them know that if you really want to set up your room in a certain way that you feel most comfortable in, you really have to like do your research and look up like all different types of stuff. Like, the most recent that I've changed the room is in the past couple months, and I don't think I'm gonna change it until I move out of this house, because it's just now in a way where it's like, it's not only like very pleasing to me, to the eye, and it's things that I like and enjoy, but it just feels like home. Like, my home has already felt like home, but like now seeing how it is now, how my room looks, and like I love to make up my bed and like keep everything clean and stuff, because as soon as I walk in, it just looks like home to me. And I don't want people to get into designing their spaces and stuff like that without knowing like how they really feel and what they're really into and stuff, because I was flip-flopping between so many different things, so many different like things that I liked and stuff, and I thought like, okay, since I like this, I'm gonna put a poster up of that, and like, since I like this, I'm gonna do that. And as you can see, my room had constantly changed over the years, from not only having like a smaller bed, but just to like little things of like getting a new desk, or like building my own desk like you see in the background and stuff like that. So I just think, you know, you have to do your research. You have to really be all in when you're redesigning and doing things and creating your safe space, because this now is my safe space. Like, I feel most comfortable in this room, whether it comes to doing these videos like this, or whether I'm like on a Zoom call with someone. And like, it's funny because even when I do stuff like that, they'll be like, wow, your room is so pretty, or like, your room is so nice. Or even when I invite guests, they're like, wow. And I wanted to do everything myself because it has my own special touch to it. And I'm just very thankful and blessed to at one point have, you know, income to where I can buy nice things and stuff like that. And now it's like, I don't have to worry about that anymore, because I have everything that I can want, and I'm very blessed and I'm thankful for that. But don't go in thinking like, oh, as soon as I change my room, like I'm gonna be feeling 10 times better. I thought that at one point, and you see I kept changing it. There's probably gonna be a time where I get tired of this by the time I move, but I don't think that is gonna happen anytime soon, because I'm very comfortable with the way that this space is set up now. And I think you should do that too, and I hope that you do. But yeah, I know this video is probably really random, but I wanted to talk about my room a little bit, and I just get inspired seeing other people do the same thing that I'm doing. Like I've seen a couple of my friends, you know, spice up their room, paint it, and do all different types of things. And I've actually helped a couple friends with that too. So it's just, yeah, it's really cool, and I like talking about this type of stuff. So, but yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Links in the description box, including our Discord. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon, that way you get notified whenever I post something new. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye. Love you.